In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code Google Sheets. Color coding is a simple way to make your spreadsheets easier to read and understand at a glance. Instead of staring at rows of plain numbers and text, you can use colors to highlight important information, group similar data, or draw attention to anything that needs a quick visual cue. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your Google Sheet in your browser. Once your sheet is open, think about what you want the colors to represent. For example, you might want green for completed tasks, yellow for items in progress, and red for anything that's overdue. Having a plan before you start will make things a lot clearer later. Now, select the cell or range of cells you want to color. You can click and drag to highlight multiple cells, or use the column and row headers to select an entire column or row. With your cells selected, look at the toolbar above your sheet and find the Fill Color icon. It looks like a little paint bucket. Click that and you'll see a palette of colors appear. Choose the color you want, and Google Sheets will immediately apply it to your selected cells. That's the basics, but you can take this a lot further using conditional formatting, which automatically colors cells based on rules. To do this, select the cells you want to work with, then go to the Format menu at the top and click on Conditional Formatting. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. In this panel, you can set rules such as format cells if they are greater than a certain number, if they contain specific text, or even if they are empty. Once you choose a condition, pick the color and style you want under the formatting options. You can change the fill color, the text color, and even make the text bold or italic. When you're happy with your settings, click Done, and your color coding rule will apply automatically. You can add multiple rules to the same range if you need more detailed color coding. Just be careful about conflicting rules, and use the order of rules in the panel to control which one takes priority. As you work, take a moment to zoom out and see how your colors look across the whole sheet. Aim for a consistent, readable color scheme that's easy on the eyes and clearly communicates what each color means.